Welcome to Photoshop Art. I want to share with you the easiest way to preview your Photoshop files. I find two easy ways to do that. One option is to save your Photoshop files to OneDrive. OneDrive shows you the preview as soon as you save your file. If you don't want or can't use OneDrive, download and install PSD codes. Link is in the video description. You don't have to restart your PC. As you can see, there are already preview thumbnails. I hope this helped you a little bit. This is Photoshop Art. Thank you for watching this video.